want to show you around inside this old Dethleffs. I have a strong feeling that the wooden part at the back side and at the front and the total roof aren't original. But then again, inside there's a lot to see. For instance, there's a little cooker, 2 burners, and there's a sink with a tap. This door here has been something happening because, as you can see, the door is gone. There's also a heater, and you can sit at the table with fairly neat cushions, so you can be able to make a bed. And as you can see, there's a little shelf at the wooden backside, but when we tried to lift the top, it was very heavy. So, and this front side here also is quite light colored wood, so I don't know if it's original, but okay, we'll see. And the little shelf over here, it's possible to put it at the top, so that's when you are traveling, it's all down. And a very neat feature in the corner is a little something to see if you've leveled out your caravan. Things I found was this neat little set of kitchen pots and pans. For instance, there's this little kettle. I don't know how it's about to function, with this filter inside. I think it's about coffee or something else, and I've cleaned it already. It looks very nice, and there are a few pans, pots, I don't know how you call that, also, so I'm gonna clean it further on. One of the things is this gadget. You can pick up the pot with it. I'm gonna try to clean it. As you can see, it's very rusty, so I'll be sandblasting it and giving it another lick of black paint. And there we are at the end of the day, ready to use. And this way, I made a cover in the spring of 2025 so that I can work on some other projects. And I continued working on the Dethleffs in the autumn of 2025. In the next episode, you can see how I'm trying to tackle the roof.
Guess what? It's Hitchcraft. It's Hitchcraft.